In the previous video, we went over setting up Atlas's version migration starting from an empty database. But if you're coming in with an existing database, the starting steps are going to look a little bit different. So let's go over that in today's video. I'm currently set up with the same atlas.htcl file as the previous video, and my database is containing the migration that we had created. But I don't have my migration directory or a populated target schema file. So let's get this set up. The first thing I'm going to do is populate this file with my current schema by running atlas schema inspect with my local environment and feed that into schema.pg.htcl. So now this file contains my current schema. What I want to do with this is create a migration file that will be used as my baseline file. So I'll do that by running atlas migrate diff. And I'm going to write baseline here so that baseline is added to my file name and I know that this is in fact my baseline file. And now we have this migrations directory with this baseline file, and the number here at the beginning is considered the baseline version. So now if I were to run something like atlas migrate apply right here, what happens is Atlas isn't tracking my database at the moment. So it's confused why I want to create an employees table on a database that already has an employees table, because it doesn't realize that this is the baseline. I want my migrations to come after this. So in order to add this baseline version to my Atlas tracking, I can do that by either adding a baseline flag here with the baseline version number in the command line, or in my atlas.htcl file, I can add a migration block with a baseline field and put that version number in there. So now that that's here, when I run atlas migrate apply, it says no migration files to execute because beyond the baseline file, there are no other migration files. If we want to confirm that Atlas is actually tracking our database version and is in the state of our baseline version, we can also run atlas migrate status. And we'll see that our current version is in fact that baseline version. We had one executed file, no pending files. We are already at the latest version. Everything is up to date. So from here on out, you can use our instructions from the previous video to create your version migrations, but that is how you would get set up if you currently have an existing database. So I hope that was helpful and informative. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and stay tuned for more videos about version migrations and the different things that you can do with them.